How to fix Roblox not launching. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if Roblox is not launching. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. So if the Roblox game or the app is not launching, there could be various reasons. The first is typically you might be trying to use it on a Mac or Windows, right? So either on Mac or Windows, whenever you click the Roblox icon, it is not opening up. It could be that it is already running in the background sometimes. If you're using Windows, you can go to your task manager. If you're using Mac, you can just right click the Roblox icon and hit the quit or the force quit button, and that should help you solve the problem. The second thing you can try to do is you can simply try to restart your PC. So you can just hit the icon over there and hit the restart button, whether you're using Mac or your Windows. Last but not the least, if it doesn't help, then I would recommend you can also try to play Roblox from your browser by going to roblox.com. So it doesn't have to be the app specifically, but if you go to your browser, there also you can go to roblox.com where you should be able to go ahead and then basically log in or start launching Roblox. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.